Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rifki, and today I would like to present about the GoTo and Tesla business innovations. Let's stay tuned. This presentation begins with the company's profile and also analysis using innovation theories and ends with the conclusion. So as we can see on the slide, Tesla revenue fell down about 3% and R&D spending are increased about 41%. This is show that Tesla still continue investment despite of slower growth. It's different kind of the go-to revenues increase about 24%, but their operations dropped about 83%. So this is show that Tesla is still investing on the future innovations, but that harvest about the result of early innovation. Each topics follow the same ABCD structures, make it easy to trace every conclusion back to the theory and the company evidence. So let's begin with the company profiles. So this is the difference Tesla and GoTo. Tesla is a hardware company with a high capital investment and its R&D is spending reported sparingly. So this is why Tesla is different. Forbes ranks Tesla based on its innovation potential and also market share value for future innovations, not just a past result. This is matched with the Christensen's theory about disruptive innovation. According to Tesla Grab, we know that the company only focus on short-term profit because they would do the opposite. According to the Throat theory, this reflects an investment in innovation capability rather than maximizing short-term profit. Different from Tesla, GoTo is an asset-like digital platform. Its strength lies on connecting millions of consumers like merchants and also drivers and also financial institutions. Rather than manufacturing products, GoTo creates value through network effect and also digital ecosystem. This improvement comes from algorithm optimizations and then operational efficiency and better monetizations instead of aggressive subsidies. So let's not focus only on size because Tesla is 85 times larger, but GoTo is growing faster. Size and growth are two different things. Revenue mix will affect to the cost and the profit margin, so it makes GoTo has a highest margin, and also it makes a key driver of a future profitability. So this is the difference between Tesla and GoTo. Tesla mainly depends on a physical asset like a factories, but GoTo depends on intangible asset such as network and data. Next, we are going to analyze both companies by using innovation theories. So these are 5 ways to understand disruptions. Christensen explains that why companies are disrupted. Prasetyo and Dewanto explain how companies find hidden customer needs. And Gartner show that the size of the opportunity. Accenture looks at the whether the advantage can last, and the maturity curve shows that how ready a company is for future. Christensen says that disruptions can occur from the different entry point. Tesla entered from the premium market with the roster before moving into mass market. It's different from GoTo. GoTo entered from the non-consumption by organizing informal motorcycles and taxi services. Although their paths are different, but both successfully create disruptive innovations. The interesting part is that Tesla is already leading one of disruptions and is now creating a second one with autonomous driving at 2014. The challenge is defending their competitive advantage. Tesla relies on the technology manufacturing capability while GoTo relies on network effects. The question is no longer about what you can disrupt, but what will you protect with your business now. Dublin Framework says that innovation is not only about products, but it also eases innovations to copy. Let's focus on the shape, not the size. Both are similar overall but different directions. Tesla scores highs in product performance because its strength is in technological superiority, while the GoTo scores highs in network because its value comes from ecosystem relationships. Although Tesla achieved higher score overall, its biggest strength is also easier for competitor to imitate, such as BYD. Meanwhile, GoTo's network advantage is harder to replicate, to imitate. According to Chessbrog, innovations become stronger when companies can collaborate. Tesla represents the broadcaster model by opening patents and also promoting charging standard, while GoTo represents the absorber model by integrating banks, TikTok, and many external partners. So this is the difference between knowledge post and market pull. Knowledge post help companies enter completely new business, while market pull helps them grow within their existing customer. That's why Tesla can expand into robotics follow knowledge post, where they create a market, while GoTo they focus only on strengthening its current ecosystem. They follow market pulls. So this is the biggest difference for our innovation funnel at the beginning and at the end. Tesla looks for new technologies while GoTo looks for customer needs. Tesla are built in the factories, but GoTo they delivered value from the software update. I think this is the important part because many of companies fail because not they cannot build a new technology, but they organizations is designed for old ways of doing business. Both Tesla and GoTo is in this way. Comparing the R&D spending between a hardware company and also software company is not fair enough because software is easier to modify than factories. GoTo can innovate faster than Tesla with a lower capital requirement. Both companies are strong in two parts of this framework. The difference is who capture the value. GoTo focus on its merchant and drivers. This is make the ecosystem strong, but it also limit the profit margin. Sharif shows that Tesla is capture more value internally, while GoTo shares the value across its ecosystem. So based on the Rogers diffusions theory, this is show that Tesla is trying still to move the autonomous driving into a mainstream adoptions, where GoTo has been passed at this stage. Now let's move on the synthesis and conclusion. So we came at the last part. This scorecard is combine all 6 frameworks that we have already explained before, but don't focus on the total score. Focus on the pattern. Tesla is stronger on technology, while GoTo is stronger in network and relationships. In conclusion, Tesla and GoTo demonstrate two equally valid innovation strategies. Tesla represent technology driven, while GoTo represent ecosystem-based innovation and market-driven. So I think that's all from me. Sorry for being so long. Thank you.